Hello everyone, it's me Shugufta and welcome back to our Python series with me. So in previous video, we learned how to download Python in your computer. So in today video, we learn how to install Visual Studio Code. So the first question that arises in your mind that why we need Visual Studio. So let me clear you that Visual Studio Code is an awesome IDE, like it give you source code editor which can help you to edit python program, like it is in a fantastic manner, so like it give you a plus point. Like let we see, like in visual studio we use extensions, and uh, with the help of these extensions it will make you think easier and to do program easier for you. So that's why we need visual studio. So first thing that I have to recommend you is go back, and I will attach the link for my previous video, so you first see and first download the python. And when you have to download the Python, the next thing that comes is that you come to the browser, and here you write Visual Studio Code. Okay. So here you click on this option. Okay, you see there is an option of download in the right side. So here we click in the download option, and here you see there's three ways. Like if you are using a MacBook, Dev, a Window, so you use whatever. Like I am using Window, that's why I install Window. Okay, and that's you see that thanks for downloading. Like it's take time. Okay, like you see, it takes some times. Okay, now after downloading, so the option came that do you want to run this file? So I click. So after downloading, it's come that you want to run this file, so that I click on run, and let's see what's happened. So here you see there is an agreement, and you have to click in that I accept the agreement and click on the next. And it's here you have to click on all the options. Also you have to click on the create a desktop icon, and then click on the next, and here you have to click install, so it's prepare for the installation. Okay, so now you see our installation is complete, and then you have to click on the finish button, and you see it's installed. Okay, you see there that's it's open, and you see the version. So first you have to close it, and in the desktop you have to come and you have to create a new folder. Like I have to name it Python program, so that you can save every program easily. Okay. And now you see that in your desktop there appear the Visual Studio Code, so you have to click it. So now opening, you first come to the file, and here you have to open folder. Okay, let's see, like I have to, in the desktop, I have make a Python program and select the folder, so that everything that you do is save in that folder. Okay, the yes, I trust. Okay, so now that you have to click on that Python program, and you have to click on the new file where you have Python file. Okay, so it's working. So now you whatever you have to write here, they save easily and you can access it easily. So here you see there is file open. So the first thing that you have to do, a programmer, is that you have to save a file. For this you have to go to the file option, and here you see the save, or you have to like click Control S, and here you have to name it like my program. But the thing that you have to remember, when the name lasts, you have, or you always have to return .py. So I have written. So that's how it's saving. So you see there's your program, my program.py. Okay, so now we have to write our first program. So here, first I have to print something, like I make a some program, like here I write about the age is 14, and I have to print my age. First, I have to remove that. Okay. And I have to print age. So there is a run button at the right, run Python file. If I have to click it, so it take, so let's see what's happening. Okay, so you see, we have to print our age is 14. Okay. So similarly, we have to do some other changes, like if I have to print my name. Okay. So first save it and now run this program. So you see the A is the 14 my name. So you see how easily we can run a program. On the other hand, if you don't worry, if you see some of the person don't have the terminal sign, nothing happens. So don't worry. The first thing is that you have to click on the terminal and you have to click on the new terminal. So you see your terminal. Okay. So other thing that's happened in the most of the pro person that use the program, like in my point in my time, like I install my code. But if you don't have, first of all you have to click this gear button, okay, at the left side, and here you have to click on the extension. And here first thing that you have to search when you are running a program is to click on Python, and you see that I have installed Python. So I don't even uninstall or disable, that's why they are working. Okay. So the other thing that you have to confirm is the code runner. Okay, so I have to write it la code runner. So here you see there is a code runner happens, and here you see you click on install, and then after some time the code runner is installed. But I don't even need it because I have an Anaconda, and also I have click button. In some of the visual programmer they don't have a, so for this you have need an extension. On the other hand, in next video we see some other extensions, and here we apply these extension and make our program easier for us. So for this video, I have to teach you about how to install it and how easily we can run a program.